Hello there, this is Sansair again from Learn Digital. In this video, we are going to learn retention marketing. Retention marketing is basically a marketing process in which we try to get uh, our old customer. We try to get a new purchase from existing customers to retain same customer again and again. You need some marketing activities and tools and techniques so that instead of running ads or doing marketing for a new customer, simultaneously with those activities you can even retain your old customers and build good relationship and trust, and based on those trust they will keep buying from your website or from your company. They will keep taking your services. So this is mostly theory part, and this is a kind of techniques you have to apply with all the marketing activities and efforts. So we'll be learning what are the things includes in retention marketing. So retention marketing is the technique of focusing upon existing customers and increasing their frequency of purchase as well as quantity of products. Increase the frequency and amount that each customer spends with you. You are directly impact the LTV and profitability of each customer. Customer retention means customer will retain only if they will love your brand. What is the level of emotional connect with the target consumer? So you have to emotionally connect with your customer. You have to write your brand story and different types of posts so that uh, you can emotionally your customer will be attached or attract to your brand. And obviously value for money. Are the prices of the product competitive or it is overpriced as compared to others? It is very important to analyze your product price and market price. If or your service price or what in market other your competitors are providing, this is very important. So if your product is valuable and it is value for money, your customer will retain even without much effort. This is very important. Does the customer recommend your product to family and friends? And the second thing is what you do or what uh, CTA you use, call to action, or what you do to encourage people to recommend your product service after they take. Do they recommend your product service to their friend and family or not? This is what we have to analyze. Is satisfactory customer service given along with incentives to buy again? And do you provide any kind of reason or incentive so that they can come back again? For example, when you buy a phone from Amazon.com or Flipkart.com, after few days they send you the same phone cover offer that this phone cover is now we are offering 50% off on this phone cover. So this is what they do to retain customer. Same customer they are trying to retain by providing some extra value or additional incentives, so that reason they are giving so that you can come back. So do you use these kind of techniques or not? These things you have to analyze as a marketer. Retention in digital marketing. Customers have enough options on internet. Once they have purchased from you, they might not return, obviously, because there are many websites, there are many service provider. This is age of competition. So they have many options. They are overwhelmed with information, product and services, and only only your company will be in their mind, or they will retain if you really provide value. If you really provide value and reason, they will come back. You will retain customers. So there are various activities which are done to increase the likelihood of a customer purchase again. while focusing on increasing the profitability of each repeat purchase. How do you measure customer value? You have to measure your customer value. One customer value you, for example, $100, $500, $1,000 depends. Invest in data driven technology, and you should invest latest technology, marketing related latest technology tools and techniques. Prioritize and restructure hierarchy, and your marketing concept of hierarchy should be, you know, reconstruct and prioritize. So these things are important. How do we measure customer value? Invest in data driven technology and prioritize and restructure hierarchy. It is easy to know the customer acquisition, know how much they spend on first purchase and how much you spend on ads or conversion to acquire them. So these data are important when you are working on retention marketing. You should, you should have this information, that how much you are spending on ads to acquire your customer, first customer, and how much uh, they cost you, for example, and what is ROI once they purchase. This information you should have. So these are kind of uh, theoretical process and analysis process which you will be doing, and based on this you will be, changing your marketing techniques. So it will give you net profit from every person during the amount of time they were engaged with your brand. Data driven technology. Customer retention is all about communicating with your customer on individual or personal basis. So communication could be about anything like feedback, offer related to their interest. After reading report on customer behavior of shopping and searching, it is necessary to collect the right report from the data scientist and target the customer for further sales. So let's suppose, I'll give you one example here. Let's suppose somebody has purchased or uh, you know took your service, and after product delivery, after service delivery, you have to be in touch with those customer through email. For example, you will be sending them feedback form. If you have other related product upsell product, you can send them another email regarding that, so you can be in touch with customer. Your company will be in their mind, and so they will come back to your site again to buy your product or service. Prioritize and restructure hierarchy. Retention is always cheaper than acquisition, because because first time getting customer is uh, more costly than getting them back again on your site, because now they know you already. So retention is always cheaper than acquisition. Means if you spend time and effort to retain customer, it will not cost a lot as the first time. And prioritize, this is very important to do. So you should keep on priority retention marketing. Marketing and retention can go together, depends on the delivery of content and quality of it. The entire data of sales and ROI on acquisition will help you to understand on which part to focus more. SEO for retention: personalized search result, product description, SERP position for keyword. So you can increase your position in search engine, so that again when your customer will be searching about the same product service or product service related to uh, your business, they will again and again see your result, and because they have passed and they have purchased from your company in the past, most probably they will come to you. And if you are not there, they will obviously uh, they will be visiting other website, they will be uh, uh, communicating and engaging with other business, your competitors maybe. So in order to retain and capture all the customers and like new and existing, you have to be active also in SEO. page viewed per page, number of inbound link generated, traffic, referral volume, all SEO things you should focus on. And in email marketing plays a very important role in retention marketing. The reason behind this is that when you send email to your customer, means you are communicating with them, and this is a best way to keep in touch with customer, to remind them about your brand and service, to offer them discount deals and incentives without calling. So it's good way to communicate, it's good way to be in their mind. So you should use email marketing to increase retention. And in email marketing you can segment your list in different segment, like new customer, old customer, or third time buyer, second time buyer, kind of. You can automatically segment your list, because these features are available in almost all email marketing services to segment your visitors. And click-through rate, and you can also analyze what is click-through rate, how many people click and visit your website when they open email. So these are data you need to read and analyze, so that you can understand how many people are actually interested, and you know, and if your retention marketing is working or not. Social media you can use in retention marketing. Number of fans and followers. So let's suppose if your customer has visited your website and purchased something, try to encourage them to like and follow or connect your brand on social media, because once they are connected, once they followed your brand on social media, they will keep seeing your company updates, your brand updates, post, offer, news, everything. So there are more chances that they will retain, because if they're not on social media, then there will be communication gap. Maybe next time they will not remember your brand, they will remember your product service. So in order to increase retention marketing, you have to be connected with customer from any medium, from any channel, and to keep in them in communication. That is main goal. You can also use affiliate marketing. Know the current program on commission level offered compared to competitor program. Evaluate and analyze trends and performance of existing affiliate program. So if your company is running affiliate program, you can encourage your customer after purchase or after taking your service, you can encourage them to promote your business, and because in order to earn, they will be promoting. Because if you can run good commission campaign, and your customer will love to spread the word, they will love to share with their family, friend, and on their social media your product service, because here you are running affiliate program. So this is another way to retain customer. This is what retention marketing is. Basically it's concept of getting new customer again and again, getting the same customer, existing customer, again and again, to make them purchase and take your service again and again. And best thing is email marketing, social media. These are best channel to increase your retention marketing efforts.